Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Auto Diecast 164. Oh, okay, sorry guys. I will clean those cars. What a mess. This is the car I will custom later. So maybe in the another video I will show you those cars will custom. Okay, I will clean it up. Okay, I clean it. So today I have a new car and this is the Ferrari A12 Competizione, yeah, maybe from Bburago. Okay, this is the first video of this brand new diecast trend, and this is has a license here. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, Bburago have I think it has a size of 118 maybe, and this is new. They have in 164. Okay, let's check about it. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, let's look around. Oh, nice. A carbon fiber here. Very smooth wheel. Okay, a little bit heavy. It's the same as Mini City maybe. Okay, let's look closer. Okay, the wheel is okay. This is a rubber wheel with a printing tire B0 maybe. Okay, the back of this car beautiful. I love this pattern here, and the Ferrari logo here. Oh, this is the, I think this is the light, but it's for custom in the black color maybe. Okay, beautiful. Okay, it can open the door. Yeah, and the interior, nothing much. Oh, it had a Ferrari logo here on the wheel. Okay. Okay, the detail look good. I have the Ferrari F Trail Palinetta and from Bburago here, and this is not the same size. You can see it's for bigger. It's from Bburago too, but and this is the back. Okay, we'll take here. Okay, beautiful. medium. It's not cheap, it's a medium. Okay, cool. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video until now. If you like my video, please like, subscribe for more video in the future, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.